Tomorrow we want to show our best things, and so tomorrow is change. Try to change this moment we stay now. It's just this.
Selamat sore. First, I wish that tomorrow the supporters come to the stadium to support the team. It's very important. First, for the players feel the extra energy that the supporters make very well and can give, can run more, can be more focused. It's very important, and also to help the club, because the game gonna be on a Sunday afternoon. And I think many people have a free day, so please, it's on the difficult moments that we see the true lovers of PSM Makassar. And because when we win, everybody is PSM Makassar. It's on the difficult moments that we must see who is the real support of PSM Makassar. So please, tomorrow, come, because it's going to be a very tough match. They have more time than us to prepare the game. So if you are a true supporter of PSM Makassar, for the good moments and for the moments not so good, come tomorrow to help on the pitch, the players, on the support, and also if you come, you are helping the club. For the match, Madura, second position, strong team. Many good players with individual quality that can decide the game. Bagus shoot, speed, Bagus finishing. So going to be very tough game tomorrow. And they have more time to prepare the game. But we are playing at our home. Sometimes this team show that on difficult moments they can be more strong. And tomorrow we hope that together, the players, the staff, and the supporters, that we can make a good game, and we hope that we can make a good result.
Good afternoon. We don't have too much time to prepare for the match tomorrow. We know Madura is a strong team. The game is going to be very hard, but we don't have time for prepare for this match. But tomorrow we want to show our best things, and so tomorrow is change. Try to change this moment we stay now. It's just this. Our motivation is try to make our best tomorrow, and try to change this moment. And if we want to get a good motivation, is try to change this moment. We know we're not staying in the good moment. We lose the four games we play, but we know tomorrow we can do better, and so this is our motivation for tomorrow.
Yes, not 4, maybe more than 4, but this is not the excuse. We're gonna play with 11. I think this is a difficult moment because nobody likes to lose, and especially lose 4 games consecutive. But we must analyze game per game. And what I got to say, it's not an excuse. It's analyze the game and the situation of the team. First, 18 of September, 11 o'clock night, we don't have tickets to go to Vietnam. The group goes separate on 2, and after must separate on 3, and after separate on 4. There are players that arrive on Vietnam on like 1 hour before we make official training. This is not a professional. The club make this mistake, and the players not rest. And after we go, we conceded goal, opponent team have strongs, we have weaknesses, and this is the football. For someone to win, someone need to lose. We lose the match on Vietnam. After, we come, we return, many travels, we go to play on Borneo. We lose Satu Koson. See how we lose. See the opportunities that we have. See the players that play. See the players that normally not play and play on this match. And we make, in my opinion, when we lose, it's not everything bad, and when we win, it's not everything good. See how many teams can win on Borneo home. After, we go to Pessis Semarang. The two teams, Borneo and Pessis Semarang, have more time to rest than us, but this is not the excuse. How many times PC Makassar win on Stadium of Pessis Semarang? Koson. On history for Liga, Koson. Best result was 2018, draw Satu Sama. And we put two Jew player less than under 23 years old. 2 Jew, 7 players. And we lose the game. Now, this match, many mistakes, opponent team better than us, we must be realistic. And this is the story of these 4 losing games. Tomorrow, we can lose, we can draw, we can win. But one thing that I know, we're going to try our best. And to our players can make the best, please, supporters, come to the stadium.